Did you know your private power pole is your responsibility as a property owner in New South Wales? Your private power pole is a vital part of your property's electrical system, delivering power directly to your main switchboard. Keeping it safe and well maintained is essential to prevent electrical hazards, fire risks, and power outages. There are two common types of private power poles: timber and galvanized steel. Over time, these poles can become defective due to age and natural wear, unstable or shifting ground causing leaning poles, overgrown vegetation nearby, termite damage, rotting timber, rust, or corrosion. If your private power pole shows any of the following signs: frayed or hanging power lines, visible damage, cracks or splits in the pole, rust or decay at the base, leaning or instability, damage caused by storms or impact, it's important to act quickly. Neglecting maintenance can result in electrical defect notices and serious safety risks to your property and family. Only an accredited and authorized Level 2 electrician, like High Demand Electrical, can safely repair, upgrade, or install private power poles. If you're in Sydney and need expert Level 2 electrical services for your private power pole, contact High Demand Electrical today. We're here to keep your property safe and powered up.